Hi friends, I Dr. R.K. Sinha. Welcome to all of you from R.K. English Expert. From my institute. Interview is continue. In this reference today, I am going to present a student named Shivam Saini. Like them, he will be also asked some Hindi sentences, which will be changed into English by him. In case you want to watch his talent, please stay till the video. Mr. Shivam Saini, today you are present in my studio. After coming in this studio, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling better.
Yes. There is a question, sir, from me.
Okay, sir.
Which is your best subject you like most?
English,
English.
of course,
No, why not math?
because I don't like calculations.
Oh, you don't like calculations.
No,
You
sir.
like your spoken English. Okay, in this reference, so I'm going to some Hindi sentences which you will have to change into. Can you do?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
can.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
इसे अपना ही बैग समझो.
Think of it your own bag.
इसे अपना ही जमीन समझो.
Think of it your own land.
इसे अपना ही मोबाइल समझो.
Think of it your own mobile.
इसे अपना ही घर समझो.
Think of it your own house.
इसे अपना ही किताब समझो.
Think out of your think of it your own book.
वो क्या है ना, मैं बीमार था.
Actually, the thing is I was ill.
वो क्या है ना, मैं नहा रहा था.
Actually, the thing is I was bathing.
वो क्या है ना, मैं खा रहा था.
Actually, the thing is I was eating.
वो क्या है ना, मेरे पापा डांट रहे थे.
Actually, the thing is my father was scolding.
वो क्या है ना, वह डरपोक है.
Actually, the thing is he is timid.
और चालाक बनो.
Be the clever more.
और खेलो.
Play more.
और ईमानदार बनो.
Be the honest more.
और नहाओ.
Bath more.
और चिल्लाओ.
Cry more.
और जागो.
Awake more.
Yes, so Shivam, you change some Hindi sentences into English,
Yes.
which are totally correct.
Thank
Uh,
you.
for your excellency, I wish for your bright future. Okay, but the questions for me,
Okay.
what do you want to be in your life?
I want to. My aim is UPSC.
UPSC.
Yes, sir.
Your aim is UPSC. Good. You always have this type of dream, and definitely your dream will come true.
Thank you, sir.